Welcome back to our channel. Today we're covering a recent incident involving Air France flight AF338 from Paris to Seattle. Stay tuned for the full story of how a potential disaster was averted. On May 10, 2024, an Air France Boeing 787-9, registration FHRBB, was en route from Paris Charles de Gaulle to Seattle, carrying 260 passengers. Everything seemed normal until the aircraft was about 460 nautical miles northwest of Iqaluit, Nunavut.
At cruising altitude, FL 390, the crew detected a burning odor in both the cockpit and the cabin. Reacting quickly, they donned their oxygen masks and decided to divert the flight to the nearest suitable airport, Iqaluit. The aircraft descended to FL 360 and made a safe landing on Iqaluit's runway 34 about an hour later. Despite the successful landing, the situation was far from over for the passengers.
According to the airline, passengers disembarked after landing. However, many passengers and their relatives reported that they were stuck in the aircraft for about 3 hours, with no access to medications or a way to contact their families. To address the situation, Air France cancelled another flight from Montreal to Paris and sent a Boeing 777-300, registration FGSQT, to Iqaluit to pick up the stranded passengers. On May 16th, the Canadian Transportation Safety Board reported that the cabin crew had detected an acrid burning smell between seat rows 15 and 17. Despite working through the smoke, fire, or fumes checklist, the crew couldn't identify the source. The odor dissipated by the time the aircraft landed. Maintenance checks found no faults, and the aircraft was returned to service shortly after. The quick actions of the flight crew ensured everyone's safety, and the aircraft resumed its regular operations. This incident highlights the importance of rigorous safety protocols and the professionalism of airline crews in handling emergencies. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation stories. Fly safe!